Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen. I'm Julia. It is a sweet treat Sunday and I have a lovely Danish dessert for you guys today. We call it a æblekage, which is basically translated into a raw apple cake. It's basically just shredded apples and then some whipped heavy cream and some Italian almond cookies. Can't really remember the name right now, which is really stupid, but I'll write the cookies down below so you can find them in your store. Here in Denmark we call them makroner, but they are not really called that in English. But yeah, write it down below. It is absolutely delicious. Today I'm also going to make it with some candied almonds, but that is completely optional. Let's get started. First up, I have to start with the candied almonds because they take a while to cool down. But I have some almonds, some sugar on a pan. I'm going to add in some water and just heat it all up and stir in it once in a while. At some point it will start to bubble and you just keep stirring in this mix. It will bubble more and more and more, and suddenly it will turn all dry, and this is what we want because the water will be completely evaporated, and yeah, it's just a really dry mix, and we want it to kind of melt down again because the sugar will start to melt. And when it starts to melt, just let it melt for a few minutes just so all the sugar really sticks to the almonds. After that, take them off the heat and place them on some parchment paper and let them cool down completely. Then cut it in some smaller bits. Now for my cookies, which we call makroner here in Denmark, I will place them in a bag and then just crush them with a rolling pin. I'm also going to whip up some heavy cream until it is nice and stiff, and then whip in some good quality vanilla extract. Last but not least, I'm going to shred my apples, and just shred until you don't want to use any more apples. And when they're all shredded, I'm going to add in some lemon juice just to make them a bit more fresh and sour and delicious. All I have to do now is just to assemble these bad boys in some glasses. You can also just serve it in a huge bowl, and then people can take a portion out with a spoon. I just added my heavy cream in a bag, and yeah, just assemble it with the cookies, the almonds, apples, the cream, and then keep doing that with layers. After that, these are ready to be served, and you really want to serve them up quite quickly because of the kind of wet apples together with those crispy cookies. Yeah, it is so worth a go, guys. Let's give it a taste. I love this. Crunchy cookies, crunchy almonds, crunchy apple, and then the cream. It is so good, guys. If you want to give it a go, all the ingredients are down below. Don't forget to subscribe here and check in again tomorrow for my Easy Meal Monday. Bye!